make your mama sad type, make your girlfriend mad type, might seduce your dad type. I'm the bad guy. Duh. Take control even if you know that you don't own me. I'll let you.
I mean, photo shoot today is amazing. Yes. We enjoy leaving, you know, packet, not good. Oh, look at that. You see that?
Oh, that was going in my head.
So they
Point down, point it down.
On va jamais ton zaman là ou bien son jamais.
So yeah. What jump to stop the video?
Oui, that.
Start it, not stop.
C'est sur vidéo là.
So yeah. Come on, I don't even know how to use it, but guess
Faut
what?
pas être sexy.
Attendez non. Je viens faire photo qu'on y a bon fait. Bon qui ça? Danser. Et m'pa kon danser, on a regardé ça mal fait.
Tough guy, like you really rough guy. Just can't get enough guy. Just always so puff guy. I'm that bad type, make your mama sad type, make your girlfriend mad type, might seduce your dad type. I'm the bad guy. Duh. I like when you get mad. I guess I'm pretty glad that you're alone. You said she's scared of me? I mean, I don't see what she sees, but maybe it's 'cause I'm wearing your cologne. I'm a bad guy.
To do what? Like this? Okay. Whoa.
Pretty little thing, you got a bang and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not in silent. Blew the coupe at 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only 'cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Ay. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag and I'm Birkin. No 9 to 5, put the work in. Lost and all, I love them all. To me, you're perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl.
Let's see again. Simon, I'm still a practice. I'm still a practice guy. Because I don't know how to dance. Well, they said I don't know how to dance, but I can try. Because oh. So, should I do this?
Got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. You the only one I'm tryna make love to. They gon' call again. Tell them that a real nigga stepping in. Don't let them niggas try you. Test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is
Ok. Pour moun qui dit comme ça, travail mannequin, c'est travail qui facile, c'est juste camper devant mon caméra pour faire photo, faire comme belle, mal du menti. C'est un travail qui 24/24 lié. Même là, pas devant une caméra. Et puis là, vous ne pas exactement ça ou pas le bon. Moi-même, je ne pas vraiment danser, on mettez me danser. Les gars, j'aime. Parce que les femmes haïtiennes, nous avons ça dans le sang, nous dégager, nous pas faire. Anyways, Kounya la m'pral changer deuxième cheveu, hein. Nous pral faire troisième cheveu. Hein. Dis-moi comment me danser. Comment me danser? Je me souhaite un coup bouki.